This is the most epic shot of all time.
Yeah, so why stop?
Maybe
I think you need to learn.
Proceed into the mist.
That's where this quote comes from. I got a guy from. That was good.
Yeah. That was
Arrived at last. Getting our things ready. Getting the mood going. Motivation time.
It's working. I'm in the mood.
We're all in the mood now. Entering the trail. That's it. It's a pretty cool trail. I'm a little tired already. Guys, can we go back?
Can we eat some of these mushrooms?
Yeah, those are good ones to eat. Those are fine. Yeah, boys. And one girl?
Yes, boys and girls.
Yes, boys! Awesome. Yeah, dude. Yes!
This video is brought to you by Life Straw.
Life straw. Get your life straw. Get a life and get a straw. Yeah.
Also brought to you by Margaret's.
Marbreds, they're healthy. They are good for bone support and muscle building. A lot of vitamins.
Antioxidants.
A lot of antioxidants. If you're sick, you got a cold, you got the flu, a little stomach bug, you take a couple cigarettes, good to go.
And you're way more cool and attractive.
Yeah. Well, actually, mostly just those last two things, and then that's it. Woo! So it begins. To the top, boys. And one girl. So it continues. Up we go.
You're feeling like P. Diddy. Up and up and up.
Dying?
The bright side, you're still doing better than Jameson.
Where's Jameson? He got... A baby got him sick. Oh, sweet Jesus.
Sweet Cheez-Its.
Cheez-Its. Caught in the act.
What?
No wonder you're sweating so much, dude. It's like a 6-pound sailor. For the birds.
Oh, no, that's for me.
Oh.
Hey, man.
How we doing, Moira?
We're doing.
Can I get a honya?
Let me tell you some things.
Switch to gimbal. guys ready? Let go! Oh, 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 oh. Woo! Mountain wrestling.
Lock him up.
Lock him up. Get him in the sides. Head body, head body. Guillotine. Solid classic move. Oh, full matrix.
Yeah,
It's true.
About to chow.
it doesn't exactly feel like we're on top of the mountain. 6,000.
Look out the window, it's just nothing but clouds and sky.
I know. List of the people who died.
Some of them have
Never been found.
never been.
What?
Realize it's a
6
bunch
years
of
later.
20-somethings.
Nice send, boys and girl. We did it.
Where's Jameson? Is he still at the bottom?
Oh, he's got the baby fever. He's here in spirit, though. All right, we're out. Back down.
Oh my God, I had
I was into it.
Woo! Back down the mountain.
Hey, Mark.
How are you? Strip down here. It's getting a little hot. And look at this, huh? Little treat for the way down. Almost there. Woo!
Life on the way.
Ah, jeez, the knees, man, the knees.
Yeah.
Oh, long last, we are out. We did it, boys and girl.
Yeah.
We gotta eat that sausage. The victory sausage.
I just want to see what the middle looks like after you.
Oh,
Gotta take a bite,
There's
man.
no way.
Gotta.
I will not.
Gotta.
Take a bite. Bite the sausage.
Oh my God.
He goes, I think I'm
Hold
gonna
him
throw
down.
up.
I don't know why we do this.
that's how you finish a victory
Nothing can
sausage.
eat that fucking thing either. Like that shit's gonna sit there for the next
It'll be here
5
next
years. Nothing will eat it. Nothing can decay it away. That shit will survive a nuclear
I
holocaust.
think I want to change out of these clothes and take a
And on that note, we out.
Bye.